You're looking at a 788-mile, 600 horsepower Viper that feels like it just rolled off the showroom floor, and it's one of the rarest roadsters you'll ever see. Toxic orange racing stripes, 8.4-liter V10 Fury. This is the ultimate American supercar experience, and today we're taking a full up-close look that will leave you speechless. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving into one of the most iconic American supercars of the modern era, the 2010 Dodge Viper SRT-10 Roadster. And I promise you, this isn't just any Viper. This is a low-mileage, ultra-rare masterpiece with only 4,788 actual miles on the clock. That's basically unheard of for a car this age. It's a true time capsule sitting in showroom-ready condition, waiting for the driver who craves pure, unfiltered power. Let's start with the first thing you notice, that toxic orange pearl paint. Okay? It's bright, it's bold, it's absolutely magnetic, especially when paired with the signature racing stripes that scream performance. Every angle of this car is sculpted to command attention, from the vented hood that hints at the beast underneath to the low-slung aggressive stance that tells you instantly this isn't a car to take lightly. And being a roadster, the convertible top is manual, giving you that authentic hands-on driving experience that makes every twist of the key feel like an event. Underneath that stunning exterior lies the heart of this machine, an 8.4-liter V10 engine. Let that sink in. 600 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque delivered straight to the rear wheels through a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. This is raw analog, spine-tingling power. No turbos, no electronic trickery, just pure American muscle engineering at its finest. The 3.07 rear gears provide perfect acceleration while still allowing comfortable cruising. So whether you're tearing down a back road or showing up at a weekend car meet, you're always in control. Now, the Viper isn't just about brute force. It's designed for precision handling and confidence at speed. With four-wheel power disc brakes, ABS, and a carefully tuned suspension, this roadster can handle curves, corners, and high-speed straights like a seasoned track warrior. And when you fire up that side exit exhaust, the car announces itself with authority. A growl that turns heads and drops jaws. Step inside, and the Viper's interior is a perfect blend of luxury and race-inspired design. The leather seats are snug and supportive, keeping you planted during aggressive cornering, while the white-faced gauges give the cockpit a classic high-performance aesthetic. Power amenities like windows, locks, and mirrors, combined with air conditioning, ensure that this car isn't just a track toy. It's a drivable, enjoyable supercar for the streets. And yes, airbags are thoughtfully included, giving a nod to modern safety without compromising that raw driving experience. What makes this particular Viper truly collectible is not just its spec sheet, though let's be honest, the 8.4-liter V10 alone is enough to make any car enthusiast drool. It's the condition and provenance. This car comes with its original window sticker, documenting exactly how it left the factory. Every panel, every inch of paint, every mechanical component has been cared for meticulously. It's the ultimate combination of rarity, performance, and luxury, and it's priced at $112,995, which is an absolute steal in the collector market for a car of this caliber and low mileage. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, the sun glinting off that toxic orange pearl, the wind rushing through the cabin with the top down, the engine growling as you engage each gear. This isn't just driving, it's an experience that makes you feel alive, connected to every part of the car, every inch of the road, and every pulse of adrenaline racing through your veins. It's exactly what the Dodge Viper SRT-10 Roadster was designed for: to thrill, to dominate, and to leave a lasting impression wherever it goes. Collectors, enthusiasts, and adrenaline junkies, this car isn't just for looking at. It's for living the dream, for experiencing one of the purest forms of American supercar engineering. There's a reason the Viper has become a legend. It doesn't compromise, it doesn't apologize, and it doesn't hide its personality. This 2010 Dodge Viper SRT-10 Roadster is the ultimate statement on wheels, combining mind-blowing performance, show-stopping aesthetics, and ultra-low mileage that makes it essentially a brand new supercar. So, if you've been searching for a collector-grade Viper, or if you simply crave a driving experience that will leave everyone around you speechless, this Roadster checks every single box. And let's be honest, there are very few cars that can match this level of exclusivity, excitement, and pure American engineering. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've got more epic supercar features and collector level rides coming your way. And if you want to see a closer look at every detail of this Viper, from the engine bay to the racing stripes and the luxurious interior, stay tuned. You're about to witness one of the most exhilarating cars on the planet.